Hey guys, if you've been in the market for a new home and at the top of your list is quality of work, affordable, and a great location, then welcome to 220 Goldfinch Circle here in Camdenton, Missouri. I'm Ryan Becker with the Jason Whittle All-Pro team. Let's go check it out. So this brand new construction home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and just over 1,600 square feet. It has a beautiful custom kitchen, a master bedroom with a private ensuite, and a soaker tub you won't want to get out of. So to top it off, this home has its own detached garage and tons of parking. For more information or to schedule a showing, you can call our office at 1-800-836-2005. Thanks and have a great day.